My name is Anupama Sharma and welcome back to my YouTube channel I Can Learn. Today we are going to start chapter 1 of class 10th mathematics, that is real numbers. But before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, go and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Begin with two very important properties of positive integers. Property is Euclid's division algorithm and the second property is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. In this video, we are going to discuss the first property, that is Euclid's division algorithm. Before proceeding towards Euclid's division algorithm, we must know about Euclid's division lemma. So what does Euclid's division lemma states? It states that given two positive integers a and b, there exists unique q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r, where r varies from 0 to b. यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा हमें क्या कहता है कि किन्हीं भी दो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स के लिए, दैट इज a एंड b के लिए, हमें ऐसे q एंड r, यूनिक q एंड r मिल जाते हैं जो इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं, दैट इज a इज इक्वल टू bq प्लस r. हियर b इज द डिवाइजर, q इज द कोशेंट एंड r इज द रिमाइंडर. For positive integers 6 and 3, we have found unique integer q, that is 2, and remainder r. That is why we can say that 3 divides 6 because it satisfies our Euclid's division lemma. Now we are ready to discuss about Euclid's division algorithm. Basically, it is a technique to compute HCF of two positive integers. You all are familiar with the word HCF. It is highest common factor. What is HCF? HCF of two positive integers a and b is the largest integer d which divides both a and b. Then we say that d is the HCF of a and b. Now we will see the 3 steps to calculate HCF of two given integers using Euclid's division algorithm. So these are the steps to compute HCF of two positive integers. Step 1. Step 1 says that apply Euclid's division lemma. First of all, आपको Euclid's division lemma apply करना, that is a is equal to bq plus r. Then step 2. Step 2 says that if r is equal to 0, b is the HCF of a and b. अगर हमारे पास r 0 आ जाता है यहाँ पे, देन जो b हमारे पास है यहाँ पे, दैट विल बी द HCF ऑफ a एंड b. बट अगर r 0 नहीं आता है, if r is not equal to 0, we will again apply Euclid's division lemma now to b and r. b and r पे then again हम Euclid's division lemma को अप्लाई करेंगे. Step 3. We will continue the process until r is 0. इस प्रोसेस को, इन स्टेप्स को ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू करेंगे जब तक हमें r 0 नहीं मिल जाता. जिस स्टेज पे हमें r 0 मिल जाएगा, उस स्टेज पे जो डिवाइजर है हमारे पास, दैट विल बी द HCF. We will try example 1 of NCERT. It is use Euclid's algorithm to find HCF of 4052 and 12576. We have to calculate HCF of 4052 and 12576 using those 3 steps. First of all, we know that 12576 is greater than 4052. So this will be our A and 4052 will be our B. So now we will apply step 1. Step 1 says that apply Euclid's division lemma. That is A is equal to BQ plus R. Here a is 12576 and b is 4052. We have to compute, we have to find unique q and r here. Here q is 3 and the remainder we get is 420. Now we can see that here r is not equal to 0. As r is not equal to 0, we again have to apply step 1, that is Euclid's division lemma. But now our a will be 4052 and b will be 420. Now 4052 can be written as 420 into 9 plus 272. Here a is 4052, b is 420, quotient is 9 and r is 272. Again in this step, r is not equal to 0. Now we again have to apply Euclid's division lemma. So in the next step, this will become a and r will become b. So here we get 420 is equal to 272 into 1 plus 148. Again we can see that here r, that is 148, is not equal to 0. We again have to apply Euclid's division lemma. And now 272 will be a and 148 will be b. Now 272 is equal to 148 into 1 plus remainder is 124. Again here remainder is not equal to 0. So we again apply Euclid's division lemma. Now a will be 148 and b will be 124. So we can write 148 is equal to 124 into 1 plus 24. In this step, r is again not equal to 0. We again apply Euclid's division lemma. For a is equal to 124 and b is equal to, in the next step, a will be 124 and b will be 24 into q is now 5 and remainder will be 4. Again r is equal to 4. यहाँ पे भी इस स्टेप में भी हमारे पास r 0 नहीं आया. So again हमें Euclid's division lemma apply करना पड़ेगा. In the next step, a is equal to 24 and b is equal to 4. 4 into 6 plus 0. Now here in this step r is equal to 0. हमें इस step में r 0 मिल गया है. And we know that when r is equal to 0, divisor will be the HCF between the number a and b. It says that here in this step divisor is 4. So the HCF of 4052 and 12576 is 4. Example number 2. Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is an integer. हमें शो करना है that every positive even integer, हर एक even जो integer हमारे पास है positive वो 2q फॉर्म का होता है and जो भी हमारे पास odd positive integer है वो 2q plus 1 फॉर्म के होते हैं. हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे with the help of Euclid's division lemma. It says that a is equal to bq plus r. Here b is given 2 in the question. b की वैल्यू हमें 2 गिवन है क्वेश्चन में. सो हमें पता है r लाई करता है 0 एंड b के बीच में. सो r की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगी? r विल बी, यहाँ पे b की वैल्यू 2 पुट कर देंगे तो r हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? r विल बी 0 और 1. Substitute these value of r in first equation. So a is equal to 2q plus 0 जब हम r को 0 पुट करेंगे तो फर्स्ट हमारे पास क्या आएगा, a इज इक्वल टू 2q, b की वैल्यू हमने क्वेश्चन से ही लिया दैट इज 2, और जब r को हम 1 पुट करेंगे तो a इज इक्वल टू 2q प्लस 1 आएगा। एंड वी नो दैट कि 2q हमारे पास क्या होते हैं, इवन इंटेजर्स आते हैं, इवन पॉजिटिव इंटेजर्स आते हैं, एंड 2q प्लस 1 हमें क्या देते हैं, और पॉजिटिव इंटेजर्स। सो बेसिकली दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। Example number 2. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 और 4q plus 3. हमें शो करना है कि कोई भी पॉजिटिव ऑड इंटेजर या तो 4q plus 1 फॉर्म का होता है या फिर 4q plus 3 फॉर्म का होता है। So let's start by taking a as a positive odd integer given in the question. Now by Euclid's division algorithm, we know that a is equal to bq plus r. Here b is given as 4. Question में b की वैल्यू हमें क्या दी है, 4 प्रोवाइड की है। Then we know that r lies between 0 and b. So this implies r lies between 0 to 4, which implies r can have the following values, that is r can be 0, 1, 2 or 3. Now we will substitute the values of r in this equation. A is equal to 4q plus 0. सबसे पहले हमने r को 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो हमारे पास क्या आ गया, a is equal to 4q plus 0. When r is equal to 1, a is equal to 4q plus 1. जब हम r को 1 पुट करेंगे तो a is equal to 4q plus 1 आ जाएगा. Then when r is equal to 2, a is equal to 4q plus 2. जब r हमारे पास 2 है तो a क्या हो जाएगा, 4q plus 2. And when r is equal to 3, a is equal to 4q plus 3. तो ये हमारे पास a की वैल्यूज आ गई, बट क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है हमारे पास, a जो है एक पॉजिटिव ऑड इंटेजर होना चाहिए, बट जब हम यहाँ पे r को 0 लेंगे तो a जो है हमारे पास इवन इंटेजर आएगा, 4q टाइप का आएगा, दैट विल बी इवन इंटेजर। सिमिलरली 4q प्लस 2 भी हमें a की वैल्यू इवन इंटेजर देगा। सो a कैन नॉट बी इक्वल टू 4q एंड a कैन नॉट बी इक्वल टू 4q प्लस 2. So this implies कि a की वैल्यू a हमें और तभी मिलेगा when it can be written in the form 4q plus 1, जब हम a को 4q plus 1 फॉर्म में लिखेंगे या फिर 4q plus 3 फॉर्म में लिखेंगे। तो यही हमें क्वेश्चन में अपने प्रूव करना था। A sweet seller has 420 kaju burfis and 130 badam burfis. She wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number and they take up the least area of the tray. What is the number of burfis that can be placed in each stack for this purpose? We have to compute HCF of 420 and 130 because जब हम HCF find out करेंगे, जो हमारे पास HCF आएगा वो हमें maximum number of burfis देगा in each stack. मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ बर्फीज हमारे पास हर एक स्टैक में आ जाएंगी, देन जो नंबर ऑफ स्टैक्स होगा वो लीस्ट हो जाएंगे एंड हेंस जो एरिया है वो हमारे पास लीस्ट आ जाएगा। सो लेट्स कंप्यूट HCF ऑफ 420 एंड 130। हियर A इज 420, B इज 130 into 3 plus remainder will be 30. Here r is not equal to 0, so we will again apply Euclid's division algorithm. This will be our b in next step and 130 will be a is equal to 130 and 130 is equal to 30 into 4 plus remainder is 10. Again here r is not equal to 0, so we again apply Euclid's division algorithm. Now 30 is a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 10. So 30 is equal to 10 into 3 plus 0. Here we got r is equal to 0. We got HCF of 420 and 130 equal to 10. This means that maximum number of burfies which we have to put in each stack is 10, so that we get least numbers of stacks and hence least area. Therefore, sweet seller can make stacks of 10 for both the burfies. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. If you have any doubts regarding this video, do comment. Thank you.